friend, today I will introduce different kinds of monkeypox virus test. First is antibody monkeypox test, and then it is antigen test and PCR kits. Maybe you will worry about the quality. You want to know the quality is good or not. Now, let's read the instruction first. Have a look. The sensitivity is 91%. Specificity is 98%. The accuracy is 95%. So this data confirm it is good quality. Now let us check the package first. We have different kinds of package. This one is antibody package. Some cassette, some lancet and the instructions. This is a lancet. This is pad, dropper, and a buffer.